Recently, I made a video about how I'm having a dilemma on what to do with my grandmother's Singer Model 9913. And I had asked the opinion of some other people on the Treadalon email list. And after a few reminders from a couple of them, I realized that I've been worried about cutting the wiring to the controller because that's a permanent change. And after I was reminded by them, I realized that if I disconnect the motor and leave the motor attached to the case and take the machine completely out of the case, then I can actually use it as a hand crank and see how it works before I make any permanent changes. So to do this, I'll need a screwdriver, I'll need a spoked hand wheel. This one is from an antique Model 66, I believe, but it should fit the same way and have, it should work fine on this machine. And I have a reproduction hand crank unit right here. And what I'm going to be doing is taking the motor off, taking the light off, and I'm going to leave the entire motor and light setup attached to the case. Then I'm going to take the machine out of the case completely and replace the hand wheel. The only issue, I've converted many 99s before that weren't my grandmother's machine, and the only issue that other people have run into is that sometimes the bobbin winder doesn't hit the spoked hand wheel correctly. But I'll find that out whether or not this machine will have that problem when I get to the hand wheel. But first, what I'm going to do is take the motor assembly and the light assembly off the machine.